So let's see if we can get one before the rain comes in. I got home from work just a little bit early today. Damn cars. And I was actually able to get to the Amish farm, or the Amish sawmill, excuse me. I got 50 1x10s, and I've got 3 more 8x8s for queen posts, so at least we could start making a little more progress again. I was going to throw some more siding boards up tonight, but you know, I've got a couple hours of daylight left, and I mean, it's been raining on and off here. Imagine that February. Now, we were just 30 below zero here not too long ago. I think our coldest morning was 37 below here. That was, what, 3-4 weeks ago, if that, well, maybe 3 weeks ago. And here we are, 40 degrees, raining. Unreal, just unreal, crazy weather. But that's okay, we'll take advantage of this warm stuff. So what I'd like to try to do before dark hits is maybe get the rest of these floorboards up and actually have something that's actually finished on this and ready to go to the next stage. So I get the floorboards on. We're going to work on getting more siding on while I have the material to do it. I've still got top plate to put up there and 3 more of those to cut. So anyway, I guess there's enough of me jawing at you here, and I guess maybe it's time to get my ass to work.
The dust settles and the fight is done. I don't know or care who has won. I just know I'm tired of you being tired of me. Not just a battle, but an all-out war. I only want us going back to how we were before. But I'm just so tired of you being tired of me. I wonder what went wrong. Just can't get it straight. Somewhere down the line, somewhere we got derailed. Just know I'm tired of you being tired of me. But I'm so tired of you being tired of me.
Alright, sorry for the shit lighting, guys. But I think we've toughed out the freezing rain enough tonight. It's starting to get a little bit slippery up there. It sucks because I'm like 3 boards away from having that done, but I just almost slid off the edge up there, and that there's a good sheet of ice building, so time to get down for the night and fight it another day. But anyway, can you hear a little more of an echo in here? Amazing what a difference that makes. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Just another update night tonight, so we braved it for a little bit. But anyway, I will catch you guys on the next one.